I had to write stuff down a little bit. I'll forget. I'll not remember everything that I had to say in this video. So yes.
I want it, I got it. 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 You like my hair? Gee, thanks, just bought it. I see it, I like it. I want it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bajeen. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my video. So today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to talk a little bit about my hair business. Talk about how I started, what I'm using, what hair do I have, and you know, a little bit of everything that you need to know. So I'll give you guys a little background. When I was in high school, I used to do my hair every week, like my natural hair. I used to go to the salon and do my hair every week. So my hair got damaged. I started wearing braids. I started wearing weaves and stuff. So I got to a point that I cut my hair. That's how I started learning, watching YouTube videos and everything. So that's how I also started my YouTube channel. I was like, if I can watch something and learn from it, so I could start my own channel and make other people learn from my videos also. So that's how I started doing hair and videos and stuff like that. So for the hair business, I wanted to start with the lashes. I had my vendor, I had tested lashes, and I was ready to launch it. But I didn't really have the opportunity to start a hair business, because the hair business is much more than to start the lashes. He was like, if you like hair, go for hair. If you like the hair business, go for the hair business. You could start with the hair, you could bring lashes after and everything. So that's what I did. So let's move on to the hair now. So I had to write stuff down a little bit. If I'm looking down, that's mean I'm on my notebook. I'll forget. I'll not remember everything that I had to say in this video. So yes. Okay, for the website, it's www.zbajeenshop.com. I'll write it somewhere for you guys. You also can follow me on my business Instagram, which is ZBajeenShop, and I also have the Facebook page for the business. Okay, about the textures, I have 3 different textures. I have the straight, the body wave, and the deep wave. So let me show you guys what I mean by straight, body wave, and deep wave. This is the straight, this is the body wave, and this is the deep wave. So this is the straight, this is a 22 inches, 22 inch, I don't know if you guys can see it, 22 inches, like right up to my butt. So right now this is the longest length that I have. I want to get more length in the future, but I started from 14 to 22 inches for now. And I'm gonna show you guys the body wave. This is my body wave. This is a 20-inch body wave. I'm also gonna show you guys where the 20-inch is. I don't want to pull it. I don't want to damage the texture, but it's kind of like right there. So this is my deep wave, and I'm also wearing it right now. It's nice, it's bouncy. I could do whatever I want with it. Like it's just perfect. And you guys, I also have frontal enclosures. I have the 13x4 frontal, and I also have the 5x5 closure. So this is the 5x5 closure. This is a body wave. It's in this little net, so I'm not gonna take it off because it's for one of my customers, so I don't want to open it. This is a straight frontal. This is the 13x4, and I'm wearing one right now. My frontals enclosure also come with baby hair, and it's pre-plucked. I don't know if you guys can tell, it have baby hair and it's pre-plucked. So it's done for you guys. So moving on to my packaging. For my packaging, I have this bubble wrap, and it's gold. Since my logo is gold, let me show you my logo. This is the logo. It's white, black, and gold. I wanted the same thing for my packaging. I can fit the hair on it, and it's gold. It's pretty cute. So that's how you're gonna receive your hair when you order. This one I showed you is the tag for the hair, and it comes like this. I have the length and the texture in the back with my social media information. So in the packaging, you're gonna have your hair, this thank you card, and I have hair tip in the back, how to wash the hair and stuff. So that's what you're gonna receive. I also have my business card, which is almost the same thing. I have my social media information in the back also, so you see how it's kind of matched. For my frontal enclosure, I also have this tag that have my logo on it, and this is how it's gonna look when you receive it. So let's talk a little bit about the price. I have single bundle, so you can buy single bundle with just a closure or frontal. It starts from 14" to 22, from $60 to $85. And I also have bundle deal, which is including 3 bundles with 1 frontal, from $160 to $350. Depends off the length and the texture you want. With the prices, it was the hardest thing to do because I had to include packaging, hair accessories and stuff, that business card, my thank you card, and everything that I bought for that hair business. So it was really difficult. I'm like, I don't know if anybody would support me. You know, I had doubt at first. So I was thinking for my college student, because I know the struggle how it is to buy a hair bundle, but quality is everything. Quality is what you need, quality is what you want. And also, you guys, I'm working on something very excited. I'm bringing my own lace tint. If you guys know me, you know that I hate bleaching my lace. I love hair colors, but I hate bleaching it. So if I could find something that I could just bleach the hair without smelling anything, I would love that. For the lace tint, I was doing my research and I find out how I can do it on my own. So I tried it and it worked, so I want to share it with you guys. I'm going to show you a little sample. So this is my 2 sample that I have. I know they both look the same right now, but this one is light brown and this one is dark brown. I'm going to spray it in a napkin and show you guys exactly what I mean. I'm going to spray it right there. Let me show you guys. So this is the light brown right here. This one is the dark brown right here. So these are the difference. This is what I'm working on right now, so stay tuned for that. I'm very excited about this. I'm thinking of having both the small bottle and this, I think it's 8 ounce. I don't know what else to talk about. I think I covered everything. So if you guys have any question, you know, leave it down below. I'll answer you right away. So if I missed something, let me know. I love you guys. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next one.